Hello guys and welcome to my channel Turkish Food by Selma. Today I'm gonna make mercimek, which is a traditional Turkish soup, and I'm going to show it with these easy to follow steps. You need 300 grams of red lentils, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, pepper and chili flakes, 1 liter of boiling water, and 1 vegetable bouillon cube, or you can use chicken. Start with washing the lentils under cold water. This step is very important as you remove the starch from the lentils. Cut the onion in fairly large pieces. Do the same with the carrots. I cut them in sizes this big. Add the vegetable bouillon cube to the boiling water and use a whisk to stir the water until the cube is dissolved. Place the pot on above medium heat and add oil. Add the vegetables to the pot once the pot is hot. Stir the vegetables. After 2 or 3 minutes, add the flour to the pot, and at this point turn down the heat to medium. It doesn't matter that the flour sticks to the pot. Add the tomato paste next. Then you need to add the lentils to the pot. Add all of the water at this point and start stirring. Add all the spices and put a lid on the pot. Once the lentils loses their color, get soft and open up, it means that they're done. At this point, it is time to use a blender. Blend it until the consistency is very creamy. You can see here how it's supposed to look. Eat mercimek with lots of lemon, as it brings out the taste even more. Thank you for watching and afiyet olsun!